Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna do mess-free painting. Now, sometimes we love to paint, but we hate dealing with the mess of it. So this is the perfect activity for those kinds of days. What you're gonna need is some Ziploc bags, some plain white paper, whatever paint you wanna use, and some tape. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fill your Ziploc bag with whatever paint you want. Now this is a great activity for doing mixing color experiments. So in this first one, I think I'm gonna add some red, and let's see what happens when we mix the red with the yellow. There we go, okay. Then I'm gonna seal it shut, let the air out of it, and put it on my white paper. Now in this one, I think we should put red again. And this time, let's mix it with some blue. All right, again, we're gonna seal it up and put it on the white paper. And then finally, my last one, let's mix the blue and the yellow and see what happens. So here's my yellow. And some blue. All right, now to keep it really mess-free, I'm going to tape them down. They're all taped down. Now, you just get to paint with it. Swirl it around, mix it up. Oh, I see with this blue and the red, it's making a beautiful purple color in here. So pretty. This is also a really fun way if your kids are learning to write. They can use their finger and write letters or words into the paint. So fun. What happens when I mix? Squish. Oh man, when I mix this yellow and the red, I see some awesome orange turning out in the middle here. A little bit of air in here kind of feels cool. All right, finally, let's do the last one, the yellow and the blue. Oh, squishing it all together, mixing it up. Oh, it's making a beautiful green color. Do you guys see that green? So cool. Again, you can write in it. You can put objects in there like some glitter or some puff balls, something like that. But look, how fun, mess-free painting. Now all I have to do, pick them up and toss them. The mess is gone. If you want to do more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.